Chat, what's up, man? What's popping? Welcome back to the streams. What's good? How are you all doing today? Yo, let me lift this up. There you go. That's better. Chat. Good morning, man. Welcome back to the streams. What's good, everyone? What's good? Noodle Holtz, Malenko, JJ, Cryptomaniac, Kata, what's good? Ben, Danny, Rays, Zulu, Bill, what's good? Yeah, a lot of people in here right now. What's good? What's popping? How you all doing? Welcome back. Good morning, etc., etc. Tuesday today. Should be a very good day. We've got a lot of opportunity here on today's London session. Now, listen, hopefully you're all good. Hopefully you had a good day yesterday. How did everyone end up? Were we in profit yesterday? Negative? No trades? What are we saying? What are we saying, chat? Hopefully you did well. We took a little dub yesterday. Only one position, but it was nice. Chat, I actually had a position on ACG that I forgot about because I used like an evaluation to test entries for sample sizing and stuff. I forgot I had one running and it literally just ended up all the way down in cells all the way down here, which was nice. No positions, nice. Cryptomania, good discipline. Light profit, good shit. Renter rocks. Took a loss, but very, very minor. Yeah, Noodle Holtz W, bro. Good stuff. At least you kept that loss small, right? Now, chat, look. Weekly time frame has made a bottom wick. You tapped into my level exactly. I said we tap into 58 or 62, and we did end up tapping into 58 here. So you tapped into 58. You've now rejected. The only issue I can see is the daily currently has no bottom wick. However, I'm not sure if that is going to be too much of an issue or if we're going to be, completely okay to just push back up straight from there. I think it could go either way today, to be honest. I think the 4 hour looks okay as long as you can close above here. As long as you can close above this area at 2672.7, should be good to continue up on that 4 hour. Looking at the 1 hour though, what I would say is, yeah, again, similar level, you need to close above here, 2675 or 74.2, let's call it. If you can close above there, chat, it's a very clean level. Once you close above there, you've got room all the way up towards this area here at 26. I'd say 2680 around there is very clean. It might be a little bit higher. Like you could potentially say that we have room up towards like 2683. Actually, let's leave it there for now. See what that looks like over here. Yeah, fine. You know what? We'll leave it there. I think, yeah, clean traffic anyway, all the way up towards that area. You could potentially put one as well at 78.5. But for right now, we'll leave it where it is. And in terms of sales, right, anything back below this level here, 2668, that should be decent for us to grab the sales to come down. Yeah, chat, the ranges are clean right now. This is nice. Very, very nice to see this. Move it down just a little bit to adapt to that, but yeah, super clean levels, chat. I think buys are pretty good today. And that sells, sorry, those sales should take you down towards 2658. So, chat, a lot of opportunity today, a lot of potential for positions. If we can close above this area here at 2674, we should be good. And obviously, if you do actually decide to flip here and close below 68, we should be able to take it down for that daily bottom wick and even further. Chat, that's the analysis today. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. If it did, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you share the stream with your friends. Tell everyone about it. Put it on your story. Do whatever you have to do. A lot of opportunity this year for us to grow. We're trying to expand and take over the industry massively, and I think, to be honest, we will. What's good, Sammy? What's good, FNAM? Sammy in buys from 60. Nice. That's a big W. KB, what's good as well? What's good? Yeah. Actually have an interesting day today, I can't lie. I'm going back to London today after stream, or like after New York probably. I have a spa day booked with my girl. gonna be sick. I'm excited. What's good, Rosie? Welcome back. You made it to day 2. Oh, we disappeared. Through the same levels again, really starting to get the hang of it. Nice, bro. Yeah, Danny, that's great. The ranges at the minute are super clean. Like Ben just said, they are ridiculously nice. So hopefully we can take advantage of that. The 15 did just close respecting though, which might be an issue. Sorry, I thought someone was knocking at my door then. I thought I heard something. Yeah, so with that being said, might be able to get some early opportunities here. Good raise. Yeah. Yesterday was great. We had a lot of volume. We had a continued push down. We made a lot of, essentially grabbed a lot of liquidity from the downside. I think, to be honest, that's going to be it for the week. I think that would be the low for the week. See this weekly. I said this earlier. I said 58 would be our level. And look what it did. It reacted right up at that level there, 57, 58, and continued back up here without any wicks needing to be grabbed. Yesterday took a big loss. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Bill. Slow and steady, you recover it, right? Billy, what do you think about the UK economy? Shafted. Not good. No bueno. I think it's one sec, chat. Alright, I'm back. I got a special delivery. Nice, nice, nice. You think Bitcoin bottomed out at 89? I hope so, bro, to be honest. Yeah, I was looking at buying some more Solana at like 170, but I have too much already. I can't do it. I hope this is the bottom, though. Otherwise, it's not going to be nice for any of us, really. Bitcoin, yeah. Nice. That's actually really good to see. I think we might be good then. You need a passport to go to Europe now? Yeah. Well, since Brexit, we've always needed... Yeah. I think... No, you've actually always needed them. Even during... even before Brexit, you still needed a passport to go to Europe. DXY closed bearish on the daily after all that fear-mongering. Yeah, crazy. I don't know why anyone would be bearish on the dollar with Trump coming in soon. I think long-term, obviously, the dollar's going to be very bullish. We can travel in EU with only ID. I know, bro. When I'm with my girl traveling like throughout Europe, she just takes, her ID or whatever. I'm there with my passport, like, moving about. Not the best. And as well, the worst thing is when, like, obviously when we both travel, when we get into Europe, he can go down the EU passport like line, and I have to go down the all other passports line. So like she'll get through in like 2 seconds, and I'm just there like stood in the line with my fucking UK passport. Like, yeah, this is great. What's good, Jay? How's it going, man? Yeah, dead. I think the UK, I don't really want to talk about it on social media, to be honest, like Billy, from when you asked, but yeah. The economy of the UK is not something to be, admired. I've came up with the same analysis I've learned, and I'm learning so much from you. Respect. Hey, thank you, JJ. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I appreciate that. This passport is great for traveling in EU. You just need ID card. Yeah, I know. I have quite a few Swiss friends, and they say the same. Montenegro? They speak Russian in Montenegro, right? Get the closure of the 5 minute. Yeah, it's not bad. No bottom week there. Yeah, no bottom wick. I can't take anything there. More like Serbian. What they spoke. Oh no, they have their own language. Okay. Where am I thinking of? Oh, I was thinking of Moldova. Malinka. Yeah, but yeah, Montenegro. That sounds interesting. You know, I really want to go. That's a bit of a weird one. I really want to go to called again. Fuck, I forgot the word. Yeah. Yeah, Mongolia. That's it. I had to ask. Mongolia. I really want to go there. I can't lie. I think it'd be such a nice, like such a cool country to visit. There's like nothing there, but I want to go see the landscape and get an eagle on my arm and shit. I don't know why. I think it'd be sick. Budva, where is that? I guess it's Montenegro, right? Yeah. Yeah, it looks like that's crazy actually. It looks like the south of France. 30-minute close with no bottom wick. Can we take a trend play? You could do. Only thing I'm seeing right now is obviously we've rejected off this level here at 26.74 quite strongly. Might continue to range here, so I don't really like taking buys in the middle of the range. If it was down here, then maybe. But for right now, it's a little bit difficult for me to take anything like that. Especially like daily's got no bottom wick. We might need to come down and grab that first before we continue up. Like I said, I do believe that the bottom for the week is in, but again, daily no bottom wick's a bit of an issue. Oh. Yo, I need to drink this coffee ASAP so I stop yawning. But yeah, look, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys for pulling up. It means a lot. Show some love. And then, yeah. I really think TRLS is going to take over this year. Like, we genuinely have such a tight community, such a strong, like, group, almost like brotherhood. And, you know, it's allowing us to essentially mold into this strong community that eventually will take over because, you know, everyone's here to see everyone else succeed, right? No one's here trying to hate on others. No one's trying to, you know, hold others back or be jealous of their success. Everyone just wants everyone else to succeed, which is obviously the most important thing in this because trading's a lonely game, right? Trading's a game where you have essentially yourself and the markets in the majority of cases, whereas when you can have like a network or a group of people where you're allowing, you know, collaboration and effectively, you know, people can check your work and talk to you and check your psychology. Yeah, it's different level. Like, it's actually not, you know, not replicatable. With that as well, chat, I wanted to say I have a new account that I'm starting just for clips of mine because I have so many like long form clips or stream clips or all of that sort of stuff, and the value in them is insane, but they don't do well on my main Instagram. So if you haven't already, make sure you go follow the clips account on Instagram right here. I'm gonna post so much value there, so much wisdom and all that stuff, hence the name Trendlines Wisdom. But yeah, make sure you run it up. Yeah, I completely forgot what I was gonna say then. What's good, Gene? What about sisterhood? Not very inclusive. Yeah, true. We can be part of a they them hood, so we can include everyone. Moving us to South Africa, yeah, it's on the charts. I think it's on the table. I mean, I think at the minute where I'm looking at most is Cyprus, purely for the tax reasons, and to be fair, it's beautiful. Like, Cyprus is a gorgeous country. I showed you guys yesterday the apartment I was looking at though. It's 10. I'm in negotiations with them right now because I want to get it at a better price, but yeah, this apartment's so elite, I can't lie. Show you guys again. Bro, I didn't realize they have like, wait. There's a roof terrace with a, how do I show this? I set them out, what do you mean? Good rental rocks. Wait. Look at this shit. This is the apartment. Like, you come in, you have the craziest view. And then, like, you have all the bedrooms and shit. They're nice, but they're just basically standard. But then, like, this is your view. How insane. But wait, you go up these stairs. You go up the stairs in the penthouse. You have like your own roof garden. It's sick. Like, it's got its own kitchen up here. I get like a barbecue, obviously. Got a fat hot tub. I don't know, man. I think that's sick. I want to move here. Bad. Essentially. We'll see. We'll see. Nice. What's good, Yash? SG, I don't know if you know, but you can only use your code once with ATG. I know, bro. It's tough. I don't know why they did that. Lots of light? Yeah, I know, bro. Especially in the summer, it's going to be so beautiful. So warm and everything. I don't think I'd ever use a hot tub, but there you go. Malta is good for tax purposes too. What's good, Blizzy? Yeah, it actually is, bro. Malta is meant to be sick for tax purposes. Is that where you live? Everyone speaks English? Yeah, bro. Same everywhere, to be fair. I used to? Oh, cool. That's sick. Chat, anyway, just quickly, the hourly candle here is closing in about 2 minutes time. Make sure you've dropped a like if you haven't already, but yeah, 2 minutes till this hourly close. It looks like we're going to be closing within the range. It might be a little bit difficult here, but let's see what we do. Lived there for 1.5 years? Nice. For the tax reasons or what? So, chat, realistically, yeah, like I said, when we're in this range, it's going to be very difficult to take a position. However, if you can close outside of the range, I mean, yeah, we could get something decent here. What I would actually prefer, though, is if we didn't push down right now and just close back above, that would be great. We're not going to do that, so I need some structure to be made. Whether you can come down towards the bottom of this level, close respecting, and then get another bullish closure, you know, after wicking into the bottom of the range, grabbing some liquidity, then you should be good. But yeah, until then, we'll wait and see. Mando Miss, what's good, Calm? How's it going, bro? You're the one who doesn't miss, bro. 18 trades yesterday or something. That's crazy. Not really tax reasons for me, but my friend lived there, and most of my friends and brother moved down. Oh, okay, fair enough. That makes sense. That makes sense. Let's see what we do, chat. 1 minute. I know ways to bring tax to 5% living there, and there's no tax gains for trading and investments. Crazy. Bro, yeah, in Cyprus, it's like 2.5% tax on like dividends and everything. It's insane. Plan on trading news, NY? I'll take a look, bro. Wait, what time is news? Because I might be out. 1:30. No, I won't be out. I'm hoping to be done for the day by the time news comes out, Calm, to be fair. Like, I don't really like trading news. It makes my stops big, and even if I trade, you know, like 5 minutes after, think I'm gonna leave it. I'll probably be done before, and then I'll come back on for like PM session most likely. I'm a big fan of the PM session at the minute. I think the PM session's been super clean. Yeah, the 1 minute, the 1 hour rejected a little bit. You did close actually bullish above most recent here. But again, doesn't mean I can take anything in terms of positions. 30 minutes still closed bearish off the level exactly like this. I feel like we have to retest the bottom of the range right now, so I can't take buys just yet. I need to wait and see. Look at 9th of December, 10th of December, 1 hour on gold. On the 1 hour. 9th to 10th of December. We up here? I think we were around here, right? Yeah. Similar move, right? Tap back into this level here, push back up. Yeah, clean. This is exactly what I was saying earlier. This is why my level was 58. Exactly why my level was 58. Because again, look, yes, exactly the same thing, except, I mean, last time we pushed up first, but still, like, I expect to see this being the low for the week, in my opinion, to be honest. I was looking at swing positions last night, but again, we opened up top wick, bottom wick first, so couldn't grab anything. If we would have come down and tapped back into the level, I was looking at some entries off the daily reflip. But yeah, we didn't actually get that, so nothing I can do. What's good, Omar? How's it going, bro? What's good? What's good? Chat. I can't believe IC Markets refused to compensate my commission. Oh, not my commission, sorry. That's completely wrong. My slippage. They slipped me by like $1,000 and then refused to give it back. Almost 6K? Yeah, I know, man. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's close. I'm gonna have to pull the "Do you know who I am" card. No, I'm joking. But real talk, I might say, like, you know, I have to make a video about this. Because it's so tough, bro. I got slipped like over 15, like 12 pips roughly, I think, last week. I mean, look, it's already happened, so not much to say. Yesterday's trade was super nice though, so we sort of, you know, earned it all back plus way more, you know, which is good. But again, better that it didn't happen in the first place. 5 minutes closing here, chat, after the hourly open. You are starting to push down here. You did make a top wick first, which is interesting. But yeah, I do think we'll come and tap into the bottom of 26.68 right now. That being said, again, I need to see some form of liquidity from outside the range if we're going to take buys from the bottom. I need to see some wicks like this or something like that. Because again, we've tapped into the top of the range already and rejected very, very heavily. Did you hear about Pakistan discovering 7 billion worth of gold in the river? Yeah. Always something super suspicious about countries discovering gold at a certain point. Like, it seems to me that they all discover gold at once. Like, China recently discovered loads in a cave. Pakistan now just discovered 7 billion. Yeah, I don't think it's... Yeah. Something's fishy, basically. Yeah, it's insane, to be fair. We'll never see his fish where these guys looking. Crazy. To be fair, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, in a river, who goes mining for gold? I guess it makes sense, but interesting. Gold discoveries recently. Yeah, see, the other day in December, China said it found the world's largest known gold deposit, estimated to be worth over 80 billion. It's insane. They're looking at the gold, not the fish. Yeah. If you was in the USA or Canada, I get it, but in India, yeah, I don't know. How can they even see in the rivers in those countries? They're all super dirty. Like, all the rivers are super muddy and like brown. Into the sell at 26.70 as 30-minute close back into the range. It's likely to come down 26.68, hoping to catch a 30-pip move. Yeah, I think so, bro. You'll get I think you'll probably get a tap into 26.68. Just be careful because you're in the middle of the range right here. 1 hour did obviously close bullish still, so if this 1 hour flips, you're probably going to see a wick fill upwards. Well, I can't take anything just yet. 30-minute looked okay, but yeah, you got to be careful of this flip up right here. You seen the movie with Matthew McConaughey, The Gold? I really liked it. No, I haven't. It's just called Gold. Okay. Got a terrible rating, but might not be too bad. What's it about? I'm joking. It's about gold, I presume. Alright, look, so we're just struggling in the middle of this range here. It gets very difficult right now, but with that being said, 9:30 or 10 o'clock is going to be most likely where we get our positions here. That's where the volume increases. That's where you get a big spike in your volume. So stick around, stay locked in with us. There is a lot of potential here, right? You need to see some form of breakout or even just some liquidity being grabbed. If I'm going to take a position within the range, I need liquidity, for example, like this, but probably a little bit bigger. And same likewise over here. You need to see some liquidity being grabbed. Otherwise, you want to see a clean closure outside the range. Chat, yesterday's position was the same thing, right? It was on the hourly time frame right here. Had my level up here like this. Closed outside the level, top wick, tapping into this previous wick. And we got sells off the rip on that one to come all the way back down. Same position would be valid here. You have clean traffic in both directions. This is exactly what you want to see. Exactly what you want to see in, your ranges. If we close outside of this range here, we literally have clean traffic all the way to the top of this range. You see here, it's absolutely clean. Perfect. You can hold runners like that easily. Same this way. No matter which way we break out this range right now, you're going to have essentially clean traffic. Again, sells. Once you get this retest, you have clean traffic all the way back down to the bottom of the range. So regardless of what we want to take here, you are going to see some form of, push to the bottom of the next range or the top of the next range. So that means we can hold runners, we can get some nice clean positions. It's just a case of being patient, waiting for these positions, and once they form, you just take them and hold them. It's so simple. So simple. Has the Mercedes road ego gotten to you yet, G? All traffic yields to a Merc, especially in AMG. Yeah, Cryptomania, I can't lie. It definitely has. It definitely has. Like, yeah, it definitely has. I haven't been driving in the most friendly sort of manner, I would say. I'm definitely still a nice driver, don't get me wrong, but, there's a lot of, there's a lot of ego behind it, I guess. I've definitely forgotten how to use indicators. What's good, Geordie? How's it going, bro? What's good? What's good? I was waiting for the hourly Wickfield to take the flip. Yeah, I think so too. Not a bad area. Good, Max. Probably gonna, Omar, I'm probably gonna sleep the whole day. No trades for me today. Had a big loss yesterday, so I'm taking the day off. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, bro. A lot of people would be too scared to do that, but that's not a bad idea at all. Stuck in the range? Yeah, 100% we're stuck in the range here. I'm not looking at any positions right now. I think it's too choppy to take anything here. There's really no decent structure. Yeah, the 1 hour made a small top wick, nothing major. Nothing I can really do here. We have to wait. Just stay patient. You have a 15-minute close here in about 4 minutes. Might give you a little bit more information, but other than that, it's just time to stay patient here. Yeah, bro, Crypto Maniac, bro. You actually, you actually hit the nail on the head with that one. I think, I don't know why, bro. I was convinced that it wasn't gonna happen, but once you, once you sort of start driving that car, you just feel like a bit of a dick. Is what it is, I guess. I can't imagine if I was driving like an even better car, like I don't know, the people who drive like Uruses or I guess G-Wagons or shit like that, you must just feel like an idiot. Yeah, there's also a minor level here, chat, at 2670, 2669.7, which I would be a little bit concerned about. With that being said, also there's no volume, which is the main concern for me right now. You need volume in order to be able to take a position here. If you have, if you have a lot of volume within the middle of the range, you can be a bit more aggressive. But for right now, if you enter here, there's a likelihood that you just get stuck in a position. On another note, gold broke 4-hour support yesterday, then came back above it. There's a good chance that it's just creating a stop loss area before continuing back down. Yeah, I mean, potentially. Very, it's very possible. However, on the daily and weekly, I think realistically, by the end of the week, we're going to be up towards 2617, 26, not all-time highs, but I think this weekly flips, in my opinion. Just purely based off the fact that we have a lot more room to go to the upside. You did close bearish on the daily below. But you do have some levels over here to the left on the daily as well. I mean, it could go either way right now. 4 hour kind of looks like a fake out, but also not really. I think you tapped into the level here, which is 2657, 2658. Once you tapped into that and rejected, I think you can see a continuation up towards 83. Maybe even higher, but yeah, or you might do exactly this and just reject off here. We'll see. That's the other thing as well, chat. Like, we don't really need to know the daily direction in order to be able to get positions, which is, I think, something that's kind of unique to our strategy. Most traders, especially, I was on the podcast on Friday, a lot of them were talking about, okay, I find where my daily bias is, and then I realize I'm going to take only buys today or only sells today, and I'm just thinking, that's not how I trade. We can take sells on a bullish day and still, come out with profit, and that's purely just because we are pretty much scalp traders, so we can take advantage of smaller moves. With that being said, obviously it is still helpful in to understand the higher time frame moves. It's very helpful, but you actually kind of don't need to. If you were a trader just coming in and looking at probably like the 4 hour and below, I reckon you could still be profitable just by doing that without even ever looking at the daily or weekly. But obviously, I wouldn't advise it. WFX, what's good? Welcome back. Great. Did you get your payout, by the way? You requested one, right? Yeah, you did. I remember. Hopefully you got it. Nice. I trade what I see forming in front of me. I found that having a bias doesn't really work for me. I agree too, bro. I agree, because let's see, a lot of times price doesn't follow the bias. Secondly, you know, yeah, you can find exactly, you know, you can find trades in any area of the market. You know, you can catch a higher low, you can catch a lower high, you can catch a retracement, you can catch the push, you can catch whatever you want, right? And yeah, I think having a bias can be confusing. It can stop you from catching specific positions. I like to see, you know, I like to see where price is going, like Omar says, how it's forming, because the market structure can shift, right? Like we've had a bearish market structure here on the previous daily. Now it seems, obviously, if we close back above here, you're gonna have a market structure shift. You're gonna be pretty much bullish, even though your daily bias would be bearish. The market structure on the lower time frame is bullish. So I'd be looking at taking buys in that case. But yeah, it's about adapting and adapting to the changes throughout the day, in my opinion. Finding the 4 hours, my favorite time frame to trade. Setups less often, but when it does, it usually works out well and gives minimum 1 hour. Nice. Yeah, see, that's like Yan and Eugene. Both of them trade mostly, I think, the 4 hour or the 1 hour. No, the 4 hour, yeah. And that's just what they like to do. I think realistically, a lot of people are more suited to trading that 4 hour, which is not a problem at all. Again, and I said this on the podcast too, just find what works for you, find your strong points, and then double down on them. If you find it, you know, a lot easier to trade on the 4 hour, then just do it. Why would you fix something that's not broken? You know, if you can trade well on the 4 hour, then just stick to the 4 hour. Daily flip gonna be so sexy. It's daily flip versus weekly flip right now. But yeah, whichever way we close outside of this range, you should be good to go. Betch, I agree, bro. You tend to just follow the trend. Look, I just look at what the market structure is doing. Like, you know, at the time I'm taking trying to take the position. So, you know, if we're, for example, you can obviously change time frames and market structure will change for the, you know, time frame that you're on. But, you know, if I'm trying to take a position right now, I'd be looking to see whether the you know, structure is bearish or bullish, regardless of daily bias. You know, if my daily bias was bearish, but market structure was bullish for right now, I'd be more inclined to take buys, in my opinion, just because that's what the market's doing right now. I don't care what it's gonna do by the end of the day. I care about what it's doing right now. Good day, Bedge. How you doing, man? Yeah, what's good? Good morning. Good morning, handsome. Good morning to you too. I chart the 4 hour and look for entries on the 15. Gives me tighter stop loss on at least 4 hour. 4 hour, you know, that's crazy. No, I respect it. Well, that's exactly what we do, right? Exactly how I trade is looking at entries on the 1 hour and then zooming into like the 15 or the 5 or the 30 for, you know, tighter entries. It works so well. That sounded like Trump then, but yeah, it works so well, honestly. We take bullish onion if the 15-minute close is bullish. You could do, yeah. You could do, but I do want to see the bottom of the range getting tested first. Good, Mia. Good morning. How are you? Yeah, chat. So again, I want to see the bottom of the range get tested. I don't know if we will, to be honest, because you have already sort of sweeped some liquidity from down here. But do you think that we'll see a bit more ranging? To be honest, I want to see a breakout there. Once you do break out this range, whichever way you break out, whether it's to the upside or the downside, like I said, you've got clean traffic, and I think that decides the direction for the day, to be honest. We might break out later towards the session, like I said, or I've been saying throughout this week, you know, we're going to start streaming a lot longer during London. I'm going to be on till like that 10:30, 11 closure. I think that's going to give us a lot more setups. I know yesterday we didn't get anything, but I do think that's going to give us a lot more setups. And that's the main reason why I moved to one stream a day, so that I could actually stay on for a little bit longer. When meme cool? Crazy. Not this again. I thought I'd escape this. Would this define you? Momentum trader based on support resistance and MTF candle range? Potentially. Yeah, potentially. Momentum trader, you know. I don't even know what a momentum trader is, but if it's what I'm thinking common sense wise, then it does make a lot of sense. I don't know if there's a specific thing that a momentum trader is, but I think, yeah, realistically, when people ask me what strategy I trade, I always tell them price action, breakouts, and candle structure, and obviously support and resistance, but I think, yeah, we're just inter-range traders, realistically. Like, that's what makes the most sense. Ranges are the main thesis behind the trading, as well as sort of, yeah, candle structure, price action. I guess that's what we trade. Again, it's difficult to define it. When you come up with your own strategy, it's hard to like give it a name or anything. But yeah, like, I would say so. What's good, Matt? How's it going, man? I'm looking at my watch list and every instrument looks disgusting. Looks like today is the perfect day for me to take a break. Yeah, not ideal. I think the thing that I'm happy about is crypto looks a little bit better. I'm really hoping this is the weekly low and the monthly low, to be honest. I have a feeling it won't be. I'm not reading that out, Cryptomaniac, but I like that. I like that, to be honest. Hilarious. Yeah, chat, look, reflipping here. Interesting price action right now. Look, a lot of opportunity as well for positions here coming into this next 30-minute close. We have 8 minutes here, 7 minutes, sorry, till the 30-minute close. Depending on how we close here, you can close like towards the bottom of the range, but respecting will be great, you know? Otherwise, if we're below, then we'll obviously look for the sells. But if you close respecting, get a liquidity wick and then a flip, we can look to take that position to come back up towards the top of the range, you know, expecting us to continue upwards. How many funded accounts have you lost? I don't know, countless. Before I moved to just personal, I lost loads, bro. It doesn't, like, every single trader who's actually trading responsibly on props has lost loads. It's just how it works. You know, you're gonna lose a lot before you actually make anything. But yeah, I've never ever lost a live account though. That's the main thing. Never lost a live account. I think if you are getting to the point where you're like blowing live accounts, you need to really sit back and evaluate your trading, because it's very hard to blow a live account. Love it when I see I trade the same way as someone else. Hey, that's good to see, bro. Yeah, 100%. That's classified. No, I think, yeah, realistically, funded accounts are obviously a lot easier to blow than live accounts. I blew my first live account in 2017. Crazy. What's good, Eugene? Were you actually trading in 2017? That's insane. I was 16. I was literally doing GCSEs. Trying to chase gal. Not joking. Eugene's 42. Yeah, bro. Eugene must be at least 46. If you blow a live account, then you need to sit back deep to refresh your mind. Even $100 account. I know, bro. Yeah. Because again, you shouldn't be risking that much for it to be, you know, going to zero, or at least margin calls. Please, burger cheese. Indeed. What's good, West? Please, burger cheese. I've blown 10, 12, $10 accounts. Yeah, $10 accounts don't really count. You don't really have much margin there at all. I'm talking about like $500, $1,000 accounts, stuff like that. All the gang here this morning. Holy, yeah, Matt, whole gang. Chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Show some love on the streams. We're trying to take over this year. I'm trying to get to... But yeah, I don't really have a goal, but we're getting close to 6K subs. So make sure you, yeah, drop a like, share the stream with your friends. Tell your boss, tell your wife, tell your work wife, tell everyone. Oh yeah, F-Tam, you in Vietnam? That's fire. How is it, man? Tell the mummies, indeed. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Crazy. Yo, we need gold TP. And that probably hit TP for some people there. Cat. Tapped into the bottom of the range here, though. 30-minute close in about 3 minutes. Might have some potential here. Let's see. What's the 1 hour doing? Stops not too bad, actually. I'll be your work wife. Alright. Deal. Technically, you guys are my work, so one of you can be the work wife. Crazy. Eugene, stop adding food-based commands. What are you doing? This guy. I'm lock it in with chat, and this guy's adding food-based commands. Yeah, if we close below chat, I do think you're going to see a continuation down towards like 59. Wanted the wick fill on the hourly, then flip? Yeah. Bro, it's just difficult right now. We have to see this closure outside the range. If you close respecting, I think you just continue to range, to be honest. Yeah, look at this reaction off the level, chat. Such a strong reaction here. Doesn't mean it won't continue through, but it did just reject there. So let's see, we've got how long here? 2 minutes. 2 minutes for a closure. This was a move, I think? I don't think so, bro. I think this is just a range. We only moved like 40 pips. Yeah, it's a tiny move. I think we're good. I don't think we've had the move for the morning. Sigma boy's back. Crazy. Sigma boy is back. Let's see though, chat. I'm off to bed even though it's 11:30 AM. Yeah, crazy. An interesting one, Omar, but alright. Good night, bro. Decision area? Yeah, I guess. But you're trading the daily, so I don't know. Mr. Swing Trader over here. Oh. 1 minute left, chat. Wait, there's a Sigma command? When was that a thing? Daily no bottom wick? Yeah, I know. Exactly. I think it's going to come and grab that at least. I'm going to close below? I don't think so, yeah. Most likely not. Bro, I need to get you guys under control. Got Eugene creating commands left, right, and center. 28 seconds, chat. I mean, look, if you were going to close below anyway, you need to come back down, make a bottom wick. So most likely, yeah, there's no position here from this closure. Yeah, I need to actually open my broker. Wait. How do I do this? I don't know why I said how do I do this. I know how to. Sigma Trade is made by me. Yeah, no, I know you made that one, but Eugene made the burger one just now. Sigma Trade's a good one. I like it. Got 30-minute close respecting. No bueno. How many calories of protein a day? Bro, I can't lie to you. I stopped tracking my protein a while ago. Stopped tracking my calories in general, to be honest. I should actually get back into it. I was talking to my girl about this yesterday. I want to try and get back into like tracking calories, etc. But right now, I'm just too busy and I don't have the energy. That being said, though, I am moving back to like clean food and like a clean diet right now. Starting off the new year well. Been eating clean for the past week. Specifically, just because I get my girl's been cooking like dinner every night, and it's been so good, absolutely incredible. Like such good food, I can't lie. First time here, what's good, John? Welcome to the group, man. Congrats for joining the stream. We have a really good community here, man. A very tight knit trading community. So yes, she can definitely hear you right now. Like this, gun to the head or whatever. Food's so good. Nah, I'm playing. It actually is super good. I can't lie. Laid it on a bit thick then, bro. Nah, it's just I don't know. It's just I think it's irreplaceable to have like someone looking after you, someone that like can cook good food. So basically, all I have to do is work, you know, and then I'll get like nice food cooked for me. Like everything's tidy. I don't know, bro. It's elite. It's actually super elite. Bedge, yeah, send it, bro. Send it in the Discord. I'll check it. Send it in either just trading floor or whatever. Yeah, send it. Can you sort the blinds out too? Oh, you must hate this right now, Matt. You must absolutely hate that. I'm gonna leave it there though. I just count it now and then. After a while, you get some sense of what to eat anyways. Yeah, exactly. I think, to be honest, I'm most likely eating like around 3,000 calories a day. Probably like 150 to 200 grams of protein. I'm not eating as much as I used to. I used to stack the protein. Free to join your Discord? Yeah, I have a free to join. Oh shit, I typed it wrong. I have a free to join Discord. Yeah, exactly. I also have a paid section of that Discord, but yeah, you don't need to join that. It's optional. The Discord is completely free. After CPI, gold will pump. CPI is not today though. It's PPI today, right? Or am I wrong? Have a tenner, bro. Stop asking for money. Yeah, it's PPI today. Good day, Nitesh. There you go, Matt. There you go. Your new car is sick, though. Hey, thank you, bro. Yeah, I love it. I love it a lot, to be fair. Took it to London the other day. It was so nice. I like that you're back to green and red. Yeah, I did it by accident, but now I kind of have to stick to it. I did it by accident. I actually kind of was thinking about changing it back, but Matt's so happy we fixed the blinds, eh? Do not send Eugene a tenner. He's got too much money already. Yeah, is that an inverse FVG badge? I think it is, right? That's an inverse FVG right there. Not bad. You're trading Nasdaq. Bro, I know someone who trades Nasdaq against and they use the DXY as a divergence as well. And they said it was really good. So maybe take a look at that. I don't know. Yeah, clean trade, bro. Good shit. How much per trade do you risk? I risk between like 2% to 6% on a trade on my live account, but obviously that's quite aggressive. So I recommend, 1%, especially if you're unfunded. Yeah, bro, I get on with it really well at the minute. That's great then, bro. Perfect. SMT with ES. I don't know any of these words, man, but there you go. I'm impressed you know SG. Yeah, man, I know my stuff. Actually, I'm an ICT trader behind the scenes. I don't tell you guys, but I actually just trade full on turtle soup, silver bullet. I know what neither of those things are, by the way. That's a buzzword to me. Mistakes to avoid to become profitable. Any advice? The mistakes to avoid are time pressure, putting time pressure on yourself, risking too much to try and make money quickly, thinking about the money, essentially just anything other than focusing on your trading, right? Like, for example, the way that I would say, the analogy that I would give you in order to become a profitable trader is if you were trying to practice your free kicks in football and you're just literally practicing, you want to score it in the top right corner every time, you wouldn't focus on like the top right corner of the goal itself. You'd focus on how you're kicking the ball to get it into that top right corner. So if you're, trying to become a profitable trader, you shouldn't think about the end result, which is the money. You should think about how you're trading to get to that end goal. So, are you risking too much? Is your risk to reward good enough? How's your win rate? Are you understanding market structure correctly? Are you, emotionless in your trading? Are you, making decisions through logic, or are you making decisions through emotions? Again, are you sticking to your plan? Do you have a strict entry criteria? All of these things, it's like one big recipe that you have to combine everything, and all of them need to be present. You can't miss one or two of them. You need every single one of the things I just said in order to become profitable, because without them, again, you're going to be failing over and over and over. So just make sure you have those all checked in. Once you have that, it's going to be way easier to become profitable. What's good, Miguel? Good morning. Good morning, gents. I like that. Good morning, good morning. One sec, chat. Give me just 1 sec here. We are pushing down right now. Nice. Sam, I need your help because I understand the basics of drawing the lines, waiting for the price to break one of them. But based off of what confluence and time frame do you enter a trade? Well, whatever time frame you drew your support and resistance levels on. So, if you drew them on the 30, you can enter off the 30. If you drew them on the 15, you can enter off the 15. But yeah, wait for the time frame closure that you drew your levels on. Obviously, if it's above, then you're fine. Like if you drew your levels on the 15, but you closed on the 1, then you're still good. But you need to combine all of them, right? You need to be looking at every single time frame, not just one or the other. Once you get, a clean breakout, wait for a liquidity grab. That could either be a top wick, or you might have actually even previously grabbed liquidity, with a previous top wick on a different candle. Get into that, position after the flip, or even on the liquidity grab. Understanding market structure, chat. This is gone, by the way. It's going to rip to the bottom of the range, and then you enter off of that. So essentially, if you watch the course, it's going to teach you exactly that. So it's going to be, and you have access to the course. The reason I'm saying it, I'm not trying to sell it to you. You're already in the group. You watch the section on entry models, because That's really going to tell you exactly what you need to know. There's basically 4 main entries that I take. And yeah. Currently in a sell on gold and EU. Nice, yeah. You're probably going to be good on that gold sell. I don't know about EU, but gold sell is probably going to pay you. You already took something today? Not yet. A is A, not yet. I'm not at that part yet, but I will. Okay, yeah, cool. I was worried that it didn't teach you what you needed, but no, that's good. That's fine, bro. Yeah, it's a good question. It's valid. First 5 to close below that recent. Oh, shit, yeah, chat, we're gone. Gone. You have a level here on the 15, which I'm a bit concerned about. Set it to 26.73. Yeah, you probably won't come back to there, to be honest, for a while. There is a 4-hour level here that you might start to react off of. Let's see, chat. We have 4 minutes here to the 15-minute close. We also have 20 minutes to the hourly close. Stay patient here. Don't FOMO into any positions, right? The reason I became so profitable last year was purely by the fact that my patience was better than anyone else's. Like, I generally probably took less trades than 99.99999% of traders last year. And that resulted in me becoming more profitable than 99.999% of traders, purely because, you know, I was able to distinguish between A+ setups and A++ setups, only take the, you know, absolute perfect setups, and that allowed me to exactly, you know, be so just clinical with my execution, where I knew for a fact that, you know, we were able to get that high win rate. We had like, what, a 90% win rate last year with a decent risk to reward, purely by being more disciplined than any other trader. And if you can do the same thing, you know, anyone can be profitable following that same logic. Yeah, I've been following you for a while and you've been killing it. Hey, thank you, Miguel. I appreciate it, man. Closed at small last night. It's ripping. Sight. Mia, it's all good. That shit happens, to be honest. It happens. 3 minutes to 15-minute close. Yeah, exactly. But we're ripping here, so you have to be careful. DK, what's good, brother? X to the G, you cheeky boy. What's good? Chat, let's get to 50 likes on today's stream before we close on this 15-minute candle. I know you guys can do it. There's 75 of you in here right now. I do appreciate it a lot. We should easily be able to get to 50 likes right now. Look at this though. By the way, look at this. Look at the pinpoint accuracy of our levels here. I literally pointed out to you this level here. Look at how we reacted. On the dot, we reacted off this level. So accurate with our levels. It's insane. That's why when people say to me support and resistance doesn't work or anything like that, how can you say that when we have levels like that? Insane. Obviously, it can continue down right now, but the initial reaction is all that really matters. Sniper Desmond? Bro. Good job. Still shadow ban though, bro? I know. It's so tough, but it is what it is, man. There's not much I can do. All I can do, Veg, is keep showing up. Keep cracking away at that rock, and it'll come one day, but... yeah, man, that's why I need you guys to show even more love than normal. I need you guys to engage with, you know, TRLS content as much as you can, because we are shadow banned. I literally just got a notification on Instagram right now that they put some more restrictions on my account, which they've been doing over and over and over. Look. Bit of focus. Yeah, look, see? So they're restricting everything I post, which I feel like can only be due to one thing, which is reporting. You know, we're getting reported over and over, which is fine, but that's why for the loyal ones, I need you guys to show big love. Why you on 5G? I don't know, actually. Sometimes it's just better, and obviously when I'm streaming, I like to give the Wi-Fi the best chance. Haters hate? Yeah, bro, exactly, Miguel. It's haters, 100%. 15-minute closing here. Concerned about this reaction, but yeah, there's a gap here on the daily open we might be pushing for. I think we're going to come down for that daily bottom wick, at least. What is the 15 doing? We can come up and retest the level, chat. We'll have some buys here, sells here off this 15-minute candle. But right now, with the fact that it taps into this level, I'm not the biggest fan of it, to be honest. Like, I'm a bit concerned about this reaction here. Strong level on the 15-minute time frame. When will you enter a trade? When my setup forms, bro. So, like, realistically, I think within the next 15 minutes, we'll have positions here. Most likely, it's going to be the 10 o'clock closure, that 4-hour close here in 14 minutes. I don't really want to take a position, like, 14 minutes before the 4-hour close. But with that being said, I think we're going to... Oh, wait. Yeah, this could be nice, chat. Why is my spread so high right now? Holy shit. There's so much volume here. I think you're going to see a big rip down. I can't take anything. My spread's like just jumped up to like 5 pips. Anyone else have that just then? My spread went crazy. What's good, Gandhi? How's it going, man? Yeah, so much potential here though. Literally so much potential. Catch 15. Nice, Matt. Good shit. .5 to 2 spread. Yeah, mine's back to normal now, but for like a period of like, you know, a minute, or not even a minute, a couple of seconds, it went to like 5 pips. But yeah, I think we're back now. Should be all good. For the 30-minute chat though, the main thing is as well, the previous 30 did close respecting here, which is why I'm actually waiting here for the 4-hour close. Because chat, for all you know right now, this 30-minute could purely just flip up and fill the range again. Like, there's no guarantee here that we actually do continue back down. Did the daily actually flip? No, right? Came close, but yeah, not quite. I mean, the daily flip's actually down here. If you actually take it seriously. Put sell stops on break of low. He said that like a like a northerner. I put sell stops on the break of the low on the 15. Yeah, it's not a bad idea, bro. Just be careful. Daily no bottom wick. Yeah, exactly. Bro, this is not bad on the 15, but if you look on the 30 and the 1, like, it's a different story. We close respecting. I have a feeling that Jar got some buys, like, right here. Like this. Somewhere like that. I have a strong feeling, Jar. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's you know, a very typical level for you. Oh, 1 minute no top wick, chat. That's it. That's the entry model right there. Missed it. My level's lower. I feared the gap. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. But chat, to be honest, it's too indecisive right now. We really need to wait for this closure here in about 10 minutes. Not a long time, so just be patient, because at the end of the day, look, 15-minute looks good for sales, don't get me wrong. Okay, especially off that wick entry, you would have been good. 30-minute though, I'd be looking at buys right now if we flipped above the range and closed back in. Okay, so you have to wait for that closure. 1 hour is the same. 4-hour could tell a different story. You know, the 4-hour does need a top wick though as well, and it also probably needs to pull back towards the close of the candle. So you really do need to be careful here. Just stay locked in, stay focused with us, and we should be able to get some nice positions here in a matter of time. What's good, Triz? How's it going, man? It's looking good. Yeah, chat, we're setting up right now. Like, it's looking very, very nice, but we need to see this closure. The setup is forming though, don't get me wrong. We're getting very close to the setup forming. In buy since last night from 2660, hoping this is a small retracement. I think so. I think most likely we flip on the weekly. I do genuinely think that the weekly low has been put in. Obviously, if we come down a little bit further into this range and close on the 1 hour, we might have to change the story, but I do think realistically we've probably made the weekly low already. What I'd actually like right now is I'd actually like this 30 minutes close back into the range here. Take some lovely little buys off the closure back into the range to fill it to the top. Got 50 pip range to fill up to the upside. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'll fill that volume gap. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Came close enough. No, not really. I think the gaps always gets filled thing is a bit of a myth. Not a myth, but it's a bit of, I don't know, folklore. Because, yeah, gaps do always get filled. But it doesn't have to be like the next day. It could be in 2 months that this gap gets filled. But because it will eventually get filled, because price eventually retests areas, everyone says that gaps always get filled. The reason as well why I don't like the theory that gaps get filled is because gaps don't appear on every broker. Look, on FXCM, there's no gap. Gaps is literally just a charting issue on specific brokers. So, it depends. Yeah, look at this though. 50 pips incoming. Yeah, I know what you're seeing, Calm. I know what you're seeing. But yeah, look, if this 30 minute can close bullish here, chat, even if it's weak bullish, actually, even if it's bearish respecting, we can take some positions. As long as you respect this range, look at the liquidity you've grabbed, especially now. What did we say earlier, chat? Rewind about an hour back into the stream. I said to you, I need a liquidity grab outside the bottom of the range for a continuation upwards, which is now what we've got, right? All you've done here is you've essentially like pushed up, consolidated, sweeped a low, grabbed a lot of liquidity in the form of a bottom wick. You're closing back inside now, and you're going to see a continuation upwards. And then if you do continue up here, that's most likely when you break out the range and continue to the top of the next range. Bottom wick to the week? I think so, bro. I really think that I really think we've made the bottom wick for the weekly already. Five-minute flipping though, chat. Not really what you want to see. Kind of would disprove my theory. Which is fine, right? You don't have to be right every time. Think we're going down, bro? Yeah, we might go down, bro. Like, don't get me wrong. It all depends on this closure. I'm not saying that we won't go down, and we'll take sells if we close below the level, most likely. But like I said, if we did close back above it, this is exactly why I have to wait for the closure, right? Because this is one of those times where the market could go either way. And it is purely going to depend on this closure because, like I said, if we close bullish back into the range on the 30-minute, I'd be confident we're going to continue up towards like 83. If we close below, then, you know, it is what it is. We continue down most likely. There is clean traffic here. You probably have to fill this gap here. At least get the bottom wick on the daily, which is essentially filling the gap, right? The bottom wick on the daily is actually down here because the daily should have opened at 26.63. Let me manipulate the market so it goes down. Yeah, do that for us real quick, bro. Real quick. Chat, remember this is a 4-hour closure too, right? You've grabbed a lot of liquidity as well. You've grabbed probably 80 pips of liquidity on the previous 4-hour. So if this does close below, chat, I know you have a level here, but you should realistically be able to fill down towards 26.62, which gives you around 40 pips, 35 pips-ish as a TP. It's not bad at all. The only concern would be stops. Stops are a little bit large, but potentially we can grab a wick entry here. Wick entry would probably just be a retest of this area at 26.68.1. As long as you tap back into that, that's realistically a decent enough wick entry for me. Stops for that would probably need to be above the range, but I'd be confident taking stops above this previous hourly too. I don't think that's an issue. Let's see, chat. Let's see. We have 5 minutes left. Just stay patient here. How's this 5 minute doing? Closing bearish. You might actually continue down before the closure, chat. Like, it's very possible that you do that. Especially because now you did retest that area too. Like, this is exactly what I was talking about. I don't see why you'd retest it twice. So stick around, stay patient, chat. Drop a like if you haven't already. It does mean the world. But yeah, look. 5 minutes here till a position. We're locked in for this 4-hour close right now. All I need is, if we close below, I just need a top wick. Tapping into 68. Maybe even a little bit higher if we close like this. But if you can tap into 68, that's perfect for me. Otherwise, chat, if the 30 closes bullish back in the range, I'm looking to take buys to fill up towards the top of the range again and even further, to be honest. I think there's a ridiculous amount of potential here. Either way, we should be able to get some form of position. Whoa. And then I'll be done for the day, most likely. Have a spa day later, so I have to go do that. Kind of crazy, but there you go. Chat, 5 minute close bearish, next 5 minute pushing straight down. Spa day. Yes, Eugene. Spa gay? Nah. Bro, wait till you... Happy ending is crazy. I think it's quite a masculine thing to do, you know? Boom. Took any losses this year? It's a difficult one. Yes, I took an 8 pip loss, which was slippage. I took a 6 pip loss, which was slippage, and I took a 5 pip loss, which was slippage. All of them were technically break evens. So like I would say technically no, but also technically yes. If you look at my broker account, like all of them were stopped to break even that got slipped because of poor broker execution. So I don't know. I'm gonna say no. But in the journal, I don't know. I actually can't lie. In the journal, I'm going to track them as break even because that's what they were. You switch brokers? Nah. How's he making these commands? Bro, he's really changing broker? Yeah, I'm talking to them right now. If they don't offer me what I want, as in like if they don't refund my positions, then yeah, I probably change broker. Because that's not really on, to be honest. Like, just bullshit. Especially like the amount of capital I have in their brokerage and everything, and the fact that the slippage was like not even 0.5% of that. It's just, they may as well just do it. Between -4 and +4 pips is VE for me. Yeah, especially when your stop loss was at break even, you know, and then it gets slipped. Like, it's not your fault. If I would have closed at a loss, then yeah, I understand that 100%. Or if I'm market executed, then yeah. The fact that I actually moved my stop loss to break even and then it got slipped, for me tells me that it's not a loss. But again, it doesn't really matter either way. The only thing that matters is the profit on the fucking broker, which is negative, I guess. Well, no, not the profit on the broker is negative. Those trades specifically are negative. Chat, luckily we caught a banger position yesterday, made up for it, plus about double, so I'm not complaining at all. 2 minutes here, chat, to the 4-hour close. Lock it in, focus up. I think there's a lot of opportunity for us to get a nice little position here. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see. A lot of potential, chat. The pit. He said he's unprofitable. Crazy. Yeah, it looks like we might try and close below here. The only concern is look at the 5 minute. You're starting to push back up. I do need to see a top wick first on this closure. If you get that, then great. Realistically, we can either wait for a top wick up here and then a flip, and we can take the current candle stops, or we can, you know, try and grab a wick entry. One or the other. Or we wait for closure back in the range and take some buys. You know, either one. I'm going to be on here for another hour, chat. So, you know, if we don't get positions right now, stick around because there is definitely, you know, very, very high potential that we grab something here. Still with AvaTrade at the minute. Thought they'd be my best bet. Yeah, I do have accounts with AvaTrade. The account I'm talking about was actually IC Markets. The reason being, I didn't want to take a challenge like this 20k challenge that I'm doing. I didn't want to do it on a brokerage I'm affiliated with. I just don't think that's right, just because people then have an excuse, and yeah, bullshit. Use IC Markets? Yeah, for some broker. I have multiple accounts with different firms. In futures these days, just notice the title. Nah, Gandhi, it's just clickbait. Chat, closing below here by the looks of it. You got 15 seconds. Lock it in, focus up. Let's see what we do here, chat. How do we open up? Good. Good. Four-hour closed, actually kind of weak bearish, I'd say. Bottom wick first as well means not much I can do. I think, yeah. 1 hour close, bearish below. 30-minute close, bearish below. Obviously, kind of weak though. 15-minute close, bullish. I have a strong feeling that we are going to continue, like, close back into this range and continue up. 30-minute aim trade got you slipped? Nah, they didn't. Oop. Yeah, indeed. Indeed, Ben. Not the best. I think, realistically, we might see a closure back above the range on the 30-minute. Or even the 15, maybe. And that can be our entry to continue back up. I don't know why. I have a strong feeling this is a fake out. Final shakeout on gold? Yeah, bro. You're talking like a BTC trader. I do think... Oh, chat, this is nice. I do think that Bitcoin did just have a bear trap, though. I think this was the bear trap. I was so tempted to load up last night. Like, I really wanted to, but I didn't. It is what it is. Weekly flipped on everything. Crypto's not looking too bad. What's the... Oh, bro, I wanted to buy Ethereum last night. It was 3,000. It was down here. It was like, yeah, around here that I wanted to buy. I was going to buy another Ethereum, but alas, it was not to be. So, what do you draw your zones most of the time? Only where price taps a lot of clean range? Yeah, so it's based off of just rejection areas. So like the lines are always placed on candle bodies. Okay, like the areas are always placed on candle bodies, but it's based off of rejection areas, common rejection areas, as well as wick rejection areas and clean traffic areas as well. So, for example, you see every time we close outside of this range, this middle range, we have clean traffic to the upside and we fill the next range. So that's an important thing too. I do have a TikTok or an Instagram video exactly on how to plot your levels pretty quickly. You do want to check that out. Otherwise, you know, that's basically the explanation. But I'm just looking at, essentially, a longer explanation would be, let me just get this. Where's the... So, like, for example, you see here we have a rejection here, a wick rejection here, rejections here and here, rejections here. And, yeah, if you scroll left, you'll see a lot more, right? Like, if you scroll left, you're going to see the same thing over and over, right? You're going to see another wick rejection, another body rejection here. You see rejections down here. You continue left, it keep happening over and over, right? Wick rejection here, here, etc. Then you find exactly where the average of those is. Place your essentially your area on that level. Once you place that area on your level, just make sure it makes sense. Make sure there's clean traffic and no closures outside of that range. And then essentially you have your first levels. Now you do that like two times to find your main level. So for example, what I do is essentially I find my inner range. So it's like the tight range in the middle where we currently are. Obviously we're not there right now, but we were when I did my analysis. And then I find essentially the two next areas where take profit could be after we close outside that range. So for example, you see the wick rejection, the rejections here. You have rejections up here as well. So now these two, essentially, they say buys above and sells below, but they're actually my target areas. So again, I have the rejection here, which is where you tapped, and you tapped up towards this side as well. So these two outside zones. So let's say right now we have our inner zone here. I'll call it I. And then you have like a target zone and a target zone. So all I do essentially is I wait for one closure outside of my inner zone. Once that happens, you know, if my entry model prints, I'm waiting for, very simply, the fill of this target zone. And once that target zone is filled, that's your take profit. Stop loss is most likely always above this previous candle, and that's pretty much it. Make sense? Yeah, hopefully it should. Loaded up on more Opulus. Interesting. Mostly take entries off the 1 hour, right? Not the 30-minute. Yeah, 1 hour or 30-minute. We've taken a lot off the 5 recently. Yeah, 5-minute close back in the level. Like I said, right, I expected this to be a fake out. I'm not sure it is yet, but at the same time, the reason I didn't take sales is because I think we do close back into this range. But yeah, 5 did close no top wick. More Opulus. Yo, Cryptomanic's trying to shill us his bags again. An interesting opinion, Eugene. That's an interesting opinion. This guy's got beef against loaded fries. Yeah, I need to get rid of FOMO. Didn't enter anything, but I really feel like the urge to enter something. What's the best way to get rid of this? You have to diagnose the problem, right? Why do you want to enter something so badly? Is it because you want to make money or what? Is the course more detailed, bro? The course is like... Look at this. I'll show you. The course is very, very detailed. The course is like... I don't know. Each section's like a couple of hours. I fucking typed the address in wrong. I'll show you the course there. I'll show you the breakdown, right? I've not been chasing the money lately. That's good, bro. Yeah, it's a marathon, exactly. I know and even if it's not the money, right? You could probably be eager to just get profitable. But at the end of the day, you know, you have to be, you have to understand that the quickest way to become profitable is by taking the slowest way, right? So, wait, how do I review as a visitor? There you go. So, look, this is the course in general, right? It's very, very detailed. We have essentially, like, a shitload of episodes or lessons. Yeah, like, all the way from all the entry types. Each one's, like, a specific video. You know, some of the videos are, like, 26 minutes long, 16 minutes long, 29 minutes long. There's a lot of knowledge in here. It took hours and hours to make. But yeah, if you want to get it, that wop.com/trendlines. Very simple URL. Just go there, type it in. But yeah, why is the course free? The course is not free. You get access to the course with the private coaching group. So with the private trading group, you get essentially my signals, every single trade signal. You get a daily call with me, live New York stream, and you get the course. So it's like 4 things, insane value. It should be only $100 a month as well, which is ridiculous. It's so cheap for what it is. But yeah, there's the plug over. And yeah, Ray's just sent the link in. wop.com/trendlines, there it is. Alright, chat. So you did push back up towards the top of the range. Closed no top wick. Starting to push back down now. Free toe picks on Sunday too. Yeah, that's true. I want to see how this 15-minute closes here, chat, in about 5 minutes time. But the next 5 minute is closing back below the range by the looks of it. Let's see what we do. If this 15 can close bearish, we might have another entry. And then we can use the 15-minute stops, right? It's going to be way, way smaller than the 4-hour stops. It's going to be like, yeah, 25, 20 pip stops, something like that. So a lot of opportunity here, chat. Just stay focused, stay locked in. Stick around as well. Make sure you have dropped a like if you haven't already. It's very important. Yeah, we do this better than any other influencer, I'm 100% sure. Like, I don't know anyone else who trades the way, with the precision that I trade, you know, and with a community like we have, right? We literally have the best trading community out there. Literally so non-toxic. Everyone wants each other to win. I don't even know what to say. It's insane. It's literally ridiculous. I'm so grateful for it, to be fair. Yeah, the 5-minute and the 15-minute can't make up its mind. 5-minute closed bearish. 15-minute came up for a top wick. Oh, sorry, 5-minute came up for a top wick. The next one. 15-minute closes here in about 4 minutes time. Yeah, chat, a lot of potential here, right? A lot of potential, so just stay focused. I think we can grab something nice here, to be honest. Either going to be on this 15 or the 30. If we have to wait for the next hourly, I will, right? I'm not bothered about that at all, but this 15 does look clean. It's a very nice Sky Dweller play. If you haven't checked the playbook out, the free playbook, this is a very clean Sky Dweller play if we form like this. If we close like this, then perfect. We'll be in some sells most likely. But you do need to close bearish, right? Like, it's very important. Yeah, did anyone catch anything during this session? Anyone catch this move down? I know a few people caught sells from like 2670 Ws. If you did, if you caught the move from the top, you're probably chilling here, especially if you close below on the next 15. Retail arbitrage AI bot. I'm trademarking that. That must exist. That's just like buzzword central right there. Say it? I'm not saying that. Especially because you didn't say please. If you would have said please, then maybe I would have thought about it, but you didn't say please. Ah, see, now I made you say please. Now I win. Hasn't made it outside TikTok yet? Oh, okay. I looked at sales from the 15 closure at the top of the range, but stay patient. Yeah, bro, so many opportunities today. I agree. There's a lot of opportunities here. I want to see a nice bearish close on this 15 and we'll be in there like swimwear. Very, very clean position. Essentially just a very nice Sky Dweller play, but again, it has to form correctly. I don't like the current 5-minute. Yeah, look at this. 5-minute could flip at any point. And I'm still somewhat conscious of this fake out. I think that we could have a fake out on our hands. Like, it's very possible that we do. Yeah, if you haven't already, by the way, make sure you go and follow the Instagram, the new Instagram account that I've made called Trendlines Wisdom. Essentially a clips account. I'm going to be putting all my clips from stream, all my analyses, all of that sort of thing in there. It's going to be more focused on trading than anything else because my main Instagram is mostly like, I mean, there's a lot of trading stuff on there, don't get me wrong, but a lot of it's like motivational stuff or lifestyle stuff. But yeah, go follow exactly this one. Right here. It's on like 50 followers right now, obviously because it's brand new. Let's try and get it to like 100 at least before the end of the day. I think that's very possible. There's like 75 of you in here already. You could easily run that shit up. Easily. But chat, look, 15 close here in about 30 seconds. Lock it in right now. I want to see how we close here, what we do. How much room is there till this wick fill? Yeah, bottom wick gives you 15 pips. Not bad at all. It's good, Tyler. Yeah, chat, as long as... Okay, it's going to run. It's a little bit difficult. I didn't want that to happen. I wanted that to happen after the close, but we should be good here, actually. We can close like this, chat. Top wick first. Be in off the flip. Let's see what we do. Let me make a nice top wick here. I'm gonna take a sell right now as this candle flips here. I think we've got room to continue down right now. Might need to come up for a bigger top wick, but I do think that this continues down towards the bottom of the range. Stops are very tight above this area here for about 25 pips. Very, very tight stops here. And the advantage point is going to be the bottom of the range. Sorry, not the bottom. The advantage point is the wick fill here, or the no bottom wick. And the TP is going to be the bottom of the range. So TP is down here at 26.58. Let me just put my levels in. We've got in some sells here, chat. Expecting this to continue back down right now. You do have a wick fill as well on the 30-minute time frame, which looks very nice. I do expect us to fill that wick. Just whether or not we want to break this high first, which is the concern. I think we should be good. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Can we see that re-break of the lows? Once you re-break the lows, you should be good. That bottom wick gives you 10 pips exactly. Volume's died off a little bit, which is not too much of an issue. I think we should see an increase in volume, and once you see that, it should give us the push that we need. How do you manage losses now based on closures? Yeah, mostly. I mean, with this one, we have super tight stops, right? So probably won't manage it because I don't really need to. 25 pips is not really a big deal. I want to see us come down here, re-break the lows, to be honest. You can re-break this 15-minute low, you should be good. Minute did flip. Let's see, chat. Let's see. It's 1 minute. Oh shit! I didn't even see that. Cryptomaniac, you didn't have to point that out, bro. I didn't even see that. All the spiritual traders right now are scared. Let me move this line up here. This is our break-even point right here. Can we re-break the lows right now, chat? A lot of volume coming into the market, which is great. One more re-break of this 15-minute low should be able to push you down. Industry plant is crazy, Rays. Okay, you did re-break the lows there. I'm expecting to see a drive right now. I want to see a clean push here. I mean, there is a push, but it rejected. One more re-break, chat. Volume's coming in though, which looks nice. I expect the 1 hour wick fill to take place at least. Like, that looks very, very clean. Once you get some closures too, like if you get some 5 bearish closures, then you should be good as well. I'm going to watch how this 5 closes though, because if you close no bottom wick, we'll be out. What do we see max there? I think I just saw like 6 pips. Oh shit, did it just fill the wick? Wait, what? On my broker, it just went and tapped that level. That's so strange. Very confused here, chat. Okay, chat. Yeah, this is now going to be a risk-free trade here, chat. Not closing anything just yet, though. But this is risk-free here. So congratulations on that one. And chat, I'm going to close full on my positions here at 11 pips right there. 5-minute no bottom wick, 11 pip close. Absolute W. Yeah, chat, that's a horrible 5 closure. Really not nice. So closed full there, 11 pips. I know you guys are going to be like, but it's not that much. It's 0.5 to risk to reward. I'm happy with that. Completely happy. 5 no bottom wick, I have to close full. W's chat, nonetheless. Spam some dubs for me. Let me get a nice little Instagram video. We haven't done one of these in a while. Been a while since we did this. Let me spam one real quick. Yeah, spam some dubs for me. Go, 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 go. All right, chat. Appreciate you guys very, very much. W's. I know. Oh, look, it's going to run. Okay, that's interesting. Chat, my strategy tells me, though, with the no bottom wick, I have to close anyway. But that is a W nonetheless. It might run, but so be it. Who cares? So is life. Etc, etc, etc. All these cliches that I can throw at you. Holding still. Good stuff, Heisenberg. Yeah, that's a W. If you're holding, this is going to go. Like, it's going to run. That's the wick fill. But yeah, I just have to follow my strategy, which tells me that on a... Yeah, I'm fully out. I'm out. Close full. We got 11 pips on that one. Let me add it to the stream record here. Stream record, 62 wins right now. And trades taken. Daily flip, maybe. Gold sells plus 11 pips. Can't remember, right? You don't have to go for a home run every single time. Slow and steady wins the race. Keep cracking away at that rock, and eventually it will pop open. Yeah, I'll take those every single day. I'm very, very happy with that. Again, market structure probably tells you right now that you will continue down towards the bottom of the range, but my strategy tells me to manage. The amount of times I've had a break even with this exact formation here is ridiculous. By the way, chat, for the pip and dippers, I already see people dipping out. If you are going to pip and dip, that's fine. Just make sure you drop a like. If you are leaving, it's completely free on the way out. Also, look at this 5-minute reflip right now. Yeah, close for 11 pips. I was fucking driving, could fucking press the buttons. Oh, crazy. Did my signal send? Okay, it did. Good. Holy shit, I was about to be annoyed. Yesterday the signal didn't send, but today it sent. Okay, good. Yeah, W's, chat. All right, man. Look, chat, drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you follow the new Instagram too, Trendlines Wisdom on Instagram. Very simple name again. I think it's quite a cool name, to be honest. Missed that one, boys, but W to everyone who took it. Yeah, Gandhi, appreciate it, bro. Go follow this Instagram chat. We'll play the GeoGuessr right now, and we'll call it a day. May as well call it an early little stream. Great finish to the stream. Cannot complain with that one. And again, look, with the way this 5's flipping, I wouldn't be surprised if it comes and retests our entry. But yeah. Resume campaign. No, that's not what I want. I want party. GOA. Uh-oh. This guy, Gandhi, misses the trade. Back for the Geo. Had to get some buys up after the close. Bro. Calm. Those buys, I love those buys. Especially when you pop down with the wick. Yeah, it's so clean. My main... This is actually my main setup. But obviously it needs to be... I'm not as aggressive as you, bro. I can't take it against the buyers or against structure. But yeah, that's a good entry, G. I only take it with the structure. Any profit in the day, King? Yeah, we just took a W trade, bro. We just took a W trade. So yeah, we took some profit here. Very clean position. Why is my character a female? Never played Geo before. Just how it happens, man. Man's a Karen. Trust me. I guess the final boss just turned up. I know, bro. Nice trade. Thank you, Emmanuel. I appreciate it. I'm not sure about that one, chat. I'm not sure. This is even worse. Pull back and dork is crazy. Think the streams are going to help me be more patient? I think so, bro. A lot of people say that. We get that feedback a lot, right? Because, again, like I said earlier, we don't take an overly massive amount of positions. Like last year, we literally took like 80 positions on stream. Obviously, off stream, I had way more, but we're waiting for perfect setups. We're staying patient, and that's realistically the most important thing, right? As long as you stay patient, you can be a good trader, no matter what. Where is this? I know what this is. Oh, actually, I don't, because it could be... Good, Joshua. How you doing, bro? I think it might be... Bro, right. Oh, Montreal. That's what I was thinking, bro. Why did I go Vancouver? I was thinking of... I knew it was Canada because it was French, but also looked American. But I was trying to figure out which one was the main city that was French. Ah. Where is this? I have to get my girl up here quickly to read the language. To read what it says. Which one is it? I'm gonna just hedge my guesses here. Yeah, Russia. Well, it could be Russia, it could be Ukraine, it could be... Yeah, see? Like, it obviously was Russia, but it could have been any... It could have been any of these countries here. They all speak Russian. Bro, I'm bad? Yeah, me too, bro. It's all good. It's just a bit of fun. I'm terrible at this game. I mean, yesterday I actually smoked everyone, but... It's a rare occasion. Where is this? Guys, 100% been here. Every one of these, he's like, yeah, I've been there. I think it might be. Fuck, I was literally on Thailand as well. Lao. I'm not doing very well here, to be honest. Scotty Pips. A cool name. Is winning. Eugene's box. I don't even want to talk. I don't want to talk about Eugene's box, to be fair. Wait, you're in Lao? Or what? Yo, I just went into the Matrix. Yeah. What just happened? Fuck, I didn't click anywhere. Oh no, my fam's from there. Oh, crazy. Oh, you're Lao. Okay, crazy. That's sick, bro. I've always wanted to go. I heard some sick things. My history teacher told me he went on, like, traveling there. Yo, Nando's. Is that the same Nando's? It's not England. Do they have Nando's in America? Is this even America? I actually kind of give up here, to be honest. I've got no clue where this is. Be like, bro. Someone guessed that. I was going to say, I was about to be fuming. Someone did guess that, bro. What? Gandhi. This guy hacks. I'm telling you, this guy hacks. Insane. Gandhi definitely took a second place on purpose just so he didn't come back and smoke everyone. Got you though. Good stuff. Congrats. Chat, congratulations if you took this dub. See, look what I told you. Look exactly what I told you. Every time this comes back and taps our break even when we get the no bottom wick. Every single time. Exactly why I closed. Yes, maybe you could have got 10 more pips. But at the same time, she said Swaziland Anna, but I'm just playing. Yeah, chat. At the same time, obviously, this is exactly why we closed there. Every decision I make is made for a reason. And it's purely based off of, you know, experience that I have in the market, stuff that I've seen, stuff that I've sample sized. And yeah, look, chat, that's the end of the stream today. I'll be back tomorrow for London session again. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, all that good stuff. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out, chat. Much love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.